Hi, this is Sachin Menon, Head of Indirect Tax at KPMG in India. As you know, the coming budget will be presented in the backdrop of a disastrous COVID year, while industries are struggling to get back to normalcy. Therefore, it is expected that this budget would kickstart the economic activities in the country, which include manufacturing as well as service sector. This also supposed to promote the Atmanirbhar Bharat program, which is launched by the Prime Minister. It is expected that the customs duty may go up in many items which is supposed to be manufactured in India, which may include telecom, pharma, electronics, etc. It also may have some of the provisions with respect to strengthening the anti-evasion measures, both in customs and GST law. And it could also expected to contain some provisions for decriminalization of some of the activities in the customs law and the GST law. From a policy front, there may be an announcement with respect to GST rate rationalization or rationalization of place of supply rules. For example, the supply rule which hold the R&D exports as a local supply. And overall, if you look at, we are expecting that the budget will be pro-industry, pro-service sector, and also promote the farm sector, given the current situation. Thank you.